On the weekend of 12th to 14th of June 2026, Langesund in Telemark County, Norway, had a celebrated visit from the Viking ship Gaia. Gaia is a full-scale replica of the 24-meter or 75 feet long Gokstad ship, a Viking ship from the late 800s. It's Norway's largest preserved Viking ship and currently on display at the Viking Ship Museum at Bygdøy in Oslo, together with the Osebergship. The Gokstad ship is also depicted on the Norwegian 100-kroner bill. The ship was found in Kongshavn on the farm Gokstad in Sandefjord municipality in Vestfold. The mound was excavated in 1880. In Greek mythology, Gaia is a personification of Earth and the mother of all living things. But the story of the giver of life has more to it than just this. Greek mythology's creation myth also says that Mother Earth created the plains, the rivers, the lands, and is responsible for creating the world as we know it today. Shipbuilder of Gaia was Sigurd Bjørkedal and his sons Jacob, Ottar, and Dag Inge. It was sea-launched in Bjørkedalen April 28, 1990. The 24-meter long Viking ship replica was hauled manually just as the Vikings did. The square sail and yard of Gaia weighs about 350 to 400 kilo in dry condition, so raising it is hard work. At the rear end of the ship you will find a drinking horn like a Viking's had, and a nicely carved tiller, that is a horizontal bar to the head of the rudder with a dragon face in Viking style. In 1991, the Norwegian adventurer Ragnar Thorseth crossed the North Atlantic Ocean with Gaia to Iceland, the USA, Cuba, Venezuela, and Brazil, among other places.
Nei, den er 4 kilometer lang, så den er 75. Ja da, men den er en brei gjerne.
After the North Atlantic expedition, Gaia was given to Sandefjord city as a gift and have today Sandefjord as a home port. The Gaia crew operates the ship. The boat team have brought Gaia to Holland, France, England, and Ireland. Gaia sank to the bottom at the quay in Sandefjord after returning from the festival in France in August 2012, where she had been one of the main Norwegian attractions at the large International Veteran Boat Festival in Brest. It is not yet clear what caused the proud Viking ship to sink at its permanent berth in the middle of Sandefjord, but the bilge pumps may have stopped working. They hurried to get her back up again and got her repaired. They probably don't sail that far now, but have many nice trips locally and in the Oslo fjord. Every Wednesday afternoon in the summer season, you can come aboard on a 4-hour sailing trip from Sandefjord.